Hello and welcome back, and I am Dr. Ankit Gupta. I work at Panache Aesthetics, New Delhi, and I'm a board certified plastic surgeon, and today we are discussing a case of grade 2B gynecomastia. So when he came for consultation, he was really feeling ashamed about his chest shape. He wanted it to be in a much better shape. He is otherwise into gym. He does regular exercises and everything, but even after all that, he was not able to give a good contour to his chest. And this was because he had gynecomastia, and no matter how much you exercise, you cannot remove the gland that is present on your chest. So for him, what we did was we infiltrated his chest, and then we did a vaser assisted liposuction, which is we used vaser in which we broke down all the fat that is there. What vaser does is it helps in skin contraction. So about 10% of skin contraction is proven to happen because of vaser. So the skin will not sag. Second, all the fat is made into a liquid, and then we utilized power assisted liposuction. In this, what we do is the cannula keeps rotating, keeps vibrating, keeps moving. It also helps in pulling out all the fat. So the suction is continued along with this vibrating cannula so that all the fat is sucked out and only the pure gland that is there will remain behind. Now for whatever gland that remains behind, we need a much smaller cut, and from that cut we will reduce or remove all the gland that is there. All the cuts that you get is one small cut in your armpit area, which is not visible to anybody. There's a small cut beneath your areola, the black portion of your breast, and that too camouflages very nicely, and after about 6 months to a year, it is impossible for anybody to find out that there was a scar over there. Okay, so this is the whole procedure. This is how he looks after the surgery. He's extremely happy with the results. I'm extremely happy with the results, and with this 1.5 hour surgery, you can transform your life, you can transform your chest, and you can have a much better shape of your chest for your life. Thank you and have a nice day.